Are you in need of a speaker for your next event? If so, here is your solution. John Annoni, founder and CEO of the Camp Compass Academy, can provide your guests with a keynote speech, seminar, or training. John is one of the most decorated and dedicated sportsmen in America. Some organizations recognizing John's work with children are the Pope and Young Club, Delta Waterfowl, and the Emily Post Institute. He was also honored by Safari Club International with their Educator of the Year honor. John's work has been published in numerous periodicals and televised on many networks, including the Outdoor Channel and the CBS Evening News. After years of service to children and the outdoors, John has agreed to do a limited amount of audience-based engagements. So visit johnannoni.com or call 610-778-0576 today.